In this lecture, we have to see the SOA delivery life cycle phase. So, what are all the life cycle phases? Planning and analyzing. It is also like a software development life cycle phases. We can see one by one. Building the SOA, three main features we have. One is analyst. So the analyst can gather and document the business requirement that are handled over the architects and the developers. So this work of the analyst is to gather the documents. Second one, architects who design the automation logic for that services. The third one is developers who build the corresponding logic. So construct the service for a given service oriented solution. These are all the main three features to build the SOA. Service oriented architecture delivery type cycle phase. The first phase is service oriented analysis. So as like in the software development, the service oriented analysis is the first phase. The initial stage we determine the potential scope of our SOA. Service layers are mapped out and then the individual services are modeled as the service candidates that comprise the preliminary SOA. So this is the initial stage. The second phase is service oriented design. So the designing process are happen in this phase. We know what is we want to build. We need to determine how it should be constructed. Service oriented design is a heavily standards driven phase that incorporates the industrial conventions and also the service oriented principles into the service design process. So in this phase therefore confronts the service designers which the key decisions that establish the hard logic boundaries. Service layers designed during this stage can include the orchestration also, which result in formal business process definition. These are all the service oriented design. So the first phase is analysis, second one is design, and the third phase is service oriented development. So in this phase, service oriented development, actual construction phase, here the development platform specific the issue came into play. So choice of programming language, development environment, these are all happen in this development stage. So it will determine the physical form service and orchestration business processes. So for example, the technology associated with .NET and J2EE platform, we can also take as one choice. Next to the service oriented development phase, the next fourth phase is service oriented testing. In this testing, we have to debug any issues. In service testing, a rigorous testing prior to development into the production environment. So what are all the key issues in this is types of service request. Service requesters could potentially access a service, that is one issue. Type of exception condition, second issue, and service description communication service semantics, the third issue. So how it give the solution? Next to the testing phase, it is a service deployment phase. The service deployment is the implementation stage, brings with its joys of installing and configuring the distributed components. What are all the issue in this phases? Services to be distributed, infrastructure, new service, multiple solutions and security settings and accounts are required. These are all the key issues in this deployment phase. The sixth phase is service administration phase. So there are totally 6 phases in the service SOA delivery lifecycle phase. In service administration, after the services are deployed, a standard application management issue come to the forefront. These are all similar in nature to the administration concerns. So for the distributed component based applications, so here how will the service usage be monitored and message may be traced in the managed, and then performance bottleneck or detector. These are all the issues in administration.